Welcome back to part 4 of our intermediate video series on core data. In this series, we're looking at how to delete items from core data and how to edit items in core data. So this video is about how to delete. So right now, this app has no delete functionality, period. Not even for the regular table. So first we have to implement the right method for doing deletion. So let's go back, or you're going to have to go back in your memory and remember how we do a delete in a table view. So I'm in a table view, so how does the delete get triggered? I'm just going to write the word commit, and that's going to bring up a method called commit edit styling. And that's the method that gets called whenever somebody tries to delete a row in a table by swiping it. So the first thing we have to make sure is what type of editing did the user ask for? Did they ask for an edit or a delete? The way we tell is just by checking this variable. So we have if the edit style is equal to .delete, then we know we're going to delete. So, in order to delete, what we have to do is first delete it from core data and then delete it from the actual table itself so the visuals get updated. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to do it in a do because I like to do all my core data stuff in a do, and I like to do the catch right away. And let's just print out could not delete ... error equals / error, and we'll localize it. Close the quotes, and there we go. So, how do we do a delete? Well, it's a two-step process. First, we have to ask the managed object to delete. The managed context to delete a managed object. Which object do we want to delete? Well, if you remember, we decided to keep the managed objects with their corresponding object of type person. So we're gonna go back here. We need the managed object, and where are we gonna find it? Well, we're gonna find it in self. Whoa, don't do that. We're gonna find it where? We're gonna find it in self dot the list. Now notice this method gives us the index path that was selected, so that's perfect. Index path.row. That's giving us an entire person. If I look, it's giving me an entire person. I don't want to delete the whole person. I just want to delete the corresponding NSManaged object. And there we go. We've told it to delete. But remember, all we've done is deleted data from the context. Whenever we want the changes to the context to take effect, we have to what? We have to try self.managed object context dot what? Dot save. And save throws an error, so I'm catching it, and there we go. We have our data to delete our managed object. There's one last step I need to do. After that, I need to what? I need to actually remove the data from the array that's used as the data source for the table. So we're going to go here, row. Sorry, we're not going to do that. We're just going to say dot remove item at index path. Oops, index path dot row. Okay. Okay, let's see how this works. So let's give it a run. We should already have some data. We should already have some data from our last saves. So there we go. we still have Jane Doe, so if we slide sideways, we can now delete Jane Doe, and she's gone from here. But are we sure she's actually gone? Well, let's go ahead and go back to the springboard. Shift-Command-H. Shift-Command-H twice, and let's kill this app. And by killing the app, we've unloaded it from memory, so the only data we should see is data that's still in core data. So let's run the app again. And hopefully it'll be in core data when it starts up. No, hopefully it won't be in core data, right? It's gone. It's gone for good, and that's exactly how we want it to work. So we've removed persisting data. Okay, in the next video, we're going to test out how editing works. Or we're going to write the code to do our editing. Okay, great. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.